Okay, so what you're going to first do, or let me at least introduce it. Hello everyone. We're going to do lab two right now, and I'm just going to just give you a general overview on what you need to do in order for you to get this done. Um, you have to remove this hashtag sign and run this line again to get the data. If it asks you to install things, just press 3 and enter, and that's going to happen within the console. It's going to happen in the console, and you press 3 and you press enter, and keep going. All right, so then you just put a hashtag again in front of there, a pound sign is fine. Then you run this, okay? And this is gonna give you a bunch of stuff, okay? It should pop up with some stuff here. Don't worry that I intentionally removed mine. Or maybe because you have my code, this won't happen either. So most likely maybe nothing happens, that's fine as well. If it gives you an error, if it says error, that's a problem. All right, so here's for scenario one. We're going to do scenario one. We're going to summarize the data with this, meaning that's going to give us the sample size, it gives us the mean, and the standard deviation. It says diff. That's a big hint on what we're doing here. Okay. The next big thing here is for you to copy and paste this code. This is actually what I was talking about. If you're an IS major, you should talk to me. Concentration, you should talk to me. You copy and paste this into your R chunk, and you run this, and you know what was nice. This is the visualization that you'll create, or at least that you'll be able to get. If you want to be kind of cool, you can say, make this violin. I'm obsessed with violins plots, and so this should run, and you'll see a change. So that's that. That's cool. Um, and then if you run this, this will give you your results for the scenario for scenario one. Okay, it's going to give you the p-value, the test statistic, as well as the lower and upper bound for the parameter of interest. So that's good for scenario one. Scenario two, however, again, all you're doing is copy and pasting. This looks a little bit different, but it's doing the same exact thing actually. I just made it look different. Um, and so when you run this, you're going to get the mean, duration, standard deviation, duration, as well as the sample size for each group. Hint, hint. Um, and so that's that. And then this is the visualization of the data. Okay. Um, you see that I converted it was originally in milliseconds. I converted it into seconds. I divided it by 1,000. Pretty sure y'all don't care, but it's okay. um, and then here's the analysis. This is how we actually get our analysis. Okay. So running this code will give us what we want. Um, and then this here is for scenario three. This is a summary of our data. It looks very similar because pretty much is the same, but it's a different context. Okay, you would actually run this code to get the summary of the data. To visualize the data, I showed it again here. To actually visualize the data here, this is what you would have in terms of visualizing the data. Just copy and paste this here. You can see a lot of what's going on in terms of the data when you visualize it, so that's good. And last but not least is the analysis for, give you a big hint, what this is over and over. Um, and then you can run this to actually get your results, your F value and your P value, which is your F value is your test statistic. Okay, there's a lot more. This right here is a bunch of code. This is for us to actually see the QQ plot for each of the genres. So this is for us to see the QQ plot of each of the genres. And so, this is the kicker right here. This is going to display everything. Okay. And last but not least, sorry, this is last but not least. This is the Tukey HSD, which is going to do all the comparisons of that are possible based on the data. Based on since we decided to reject the non-hypothesis, you'll see that up here. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know. Please give me feedback.